You better watch out. You better.
Safety alert! Safety alert!
A silver alert has been issued for Maricopa County. This is the Arizona Department of Public Safety. Phoenix Police Department is looking for 82-year-old Myrtle Gonzalez. Myrtle is 5 feet 5 inches tall and weighs 165 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes. She was last seen wearing black pants with an unknown colored shirt, black Skechers shoes and carrying a neon green backpack fanny pack. Myrtle was last seen in the area of North 43rd Street and East McDowell Road on foot. Myrtle suffers from a medical condition that may cause her to become confused and easily lost. If you have contact with the Silver Alert, please call 911. Monitor TV and radio for updates.
Better not cry.